Hey, here's how to Zway the easy way. As you know, Zway is now giving back to the business community that supported us for the last 8 years. If you're a small business with less than, say, 10 million turnover, you can now buy the apps that you've been using and loving but paying every month for. If you're not already a Zway user, you'll be delighted to know that the apps that cost your business a small fortune every year
can now be replaced by one single payment to Zway. The best bit is you don't have to buy Zway and replace them all at once. To help you even more, we've broken the whole suite into about 10 different parts. Just buy the bit where you want to start. Then, if you need more functionality or extra users, just go to your admin center here, click on License Dashboards, and buy the bits you need and as many users as you want. Just pay once for each package and save your business a fortune by cutting out the software as a service costs from other vendors. Remember,
no single action in Zway takes more than 2 minutes, and most of the things you do with your existing expensive pay monthly deals can be done on Zway.
So, for example, in the EHR register application that you can buy, the cover sheet shows EHR, Electronic Human Resources, and there are two routes in. You can also go in via the admin terminal. Looking at the admin first, you can see all of the things that you can change in administration. You can create 360-degree reviews, you can add titles, departments, objectives, but the dictionaries themselves can be changed to have as many drop downs as you wish. All of the public holidays, objectives and reviews, and all of their dictionaries are already here for you to change as you wish. The part I'd like to show you though in the EHR is the EHR directory, and you're able here to add as many employees as you wish, pictures of those employees, different locations, different offices. You can have employees that are active and non-active. So effectively, just because somebody's left your employee doesn't mean that you'd lose the records of them. You just mark them as non-active and they've moved on. The active employees are kept in one particular list. You can also see your active employees in a company org chart, and you can see that people can be changed from departments and reporting structures. This has a particular interest when you come to use the other applications, expenses management, holiday management, and so on, because the management criteria and the hierarchy that you create will have everything to do with the approvals process that you'll use. Now, when you go in and you look at any individual's records, here it gets really impressive because not only do you have a cover sheet to tell you everything you need to know about that individual, but it stores the addresses, home addresses, emergency contacts, CVs, costs if they're associated as a resource in the business, how much they actually cost you when you put them as a resource into a project, any information on their dependents. This is fully GDPR compliant, by the way, so everyone has control over what people see. Their education, courses they've taken, medical histories, military services, attachments and documents, which is really important to keep everything in one place. So to upload a document about me anywhere, you just click one button and upload it straight into the system and it stores forever. Any legal credentials, absences, holidays, annual leaves, accident reports, warnings, skills that they may have. This is particularly relevant when you add new skills here because it allows them to be added as a resource based on the skills they have to various projects and jobs that you have. Objectives and performances, 360-degree reviews where you can add reviews from their compatriots and other workers in the platform. A history of any titles they've held and positions in the company, and a full expose of every timesheet that they've ever entered. So the amount of information on a single employee here is massive. This is what you get for the one-off purchase of the EHR employee list, and I would urge you to get this in conjunction with expenses and holidays and automate your entire HR processes.